The Jeep is all done, but this looks like crap right here. Anything yellow really, you know, makes your eyes draw to it. So to get rid of that, instead of changing this whole panel out, because you can spend $500, $600, $700 to do that, and plus it's a pain in the ass to do, my friend Davy suggested that we just wrap this in this black tint that he has. I know nothing about it, guys, but I know that this is under $20 for this whole entire process. So don't waste your money. All you need is a heat gun or a blow dryer, a knife, and what else, Davey?
Extension cord.
Extension cord, and you're good to go.
Okay, so this is the tint right here. Also, guys, you can use this on your interior as well. You can use this on pretty much anything. It doesn't have to be, you know, like reflectors or lights and whatnot. And then they hook you up even with a little knife, a squeegee, and a rag. So we're set here. We got our heat gun, extension cord, and yeah, we're gonna clean up the lights and then let's get rolling. All right, so it looks like we'll have enough. Oh yeah, that's gonna look good.
Just cleaning it up here?
Yeah, and then Dustin here, he's gonna get in the fun, and we're gonna tint his side markers there. First, we gotta clean these up. And then I'm gonna end it right here, so I'm not gonna go all the way over.
Okay, you're gonna do it in two like seams?
Yeah, two sections. It's gonna be really hard to wrap it around. What you're gonna wanna do is you can do this dry. I don't like doing it dry. I've noticed that I screw up way easier when I do it dry, so I just do it wet. You spray the back of this and then that, spray a little bit more. I like to get it wet because then you can move it around. But it is kind of frustrating sometimes because it'll move on you. But that's kind of why I like to do it wet, because then you can move it. This part's kind of tricky here, because then you have to kind of heat it up a little bit. But you can't heat it up too much, because what happens is it'll basically melt it. So I think a hair dryer would actually be better. If you just go like that, like you can't even keep it on the actual tint, because otherwise it'll melt it.
Looks like there's like a little right there.
Oh yeah.
This one right there.
Hey man, this is like a hair.
Actually, I don't.
This is like a haircut. I ain't done yet. It takes like probably 10 minutes. Well, maybe not 10 minutes, maybe like 5 minutes to get all these bubbles out. So this is very tedious. This is the part that makes people nervous. There it is. There we go. And then that'll kind of keep it in there. All right, and then yeah, then you just do the other edges. Just takes a little bit of time. So I think we got it, guys. That's it on this. Now you just kind of got to let it dry. And there sometimes is little tiny air bubbles under this, but if you let your vehicle sit in the sun the next day, they'll all disappear. Just like with window tint when they tint your windows. It's the same concept. And then to kind of make it fold, use a little bit of heat, not a lot. You don't want to melt it. The reason I like this over a hair blow dryer is it takes too long. You'll be sitting here for a while with a hair blow dryer because this is a lot hotter. The hair blow dryer is probably a little like safer. You just have to know how to use the heat gun, I guess. And then just for good measures, I'm gonna take the heat gun and I'm just gonna go around the edges to make sure they don't come up. Okay, so we set up Dan on this last one. He's getting it down. I'm just kind of showing him here. There you go. I was telling him the heat gun's his best friend, especially when trying to get this folded over here. Yeah, like Dan said, I think anybody can do it. Just manipulate with the heat gun. You really can, everything's a heat gun. You have to learn how to like heat it up. Not too much, but not too little. And just have your tools and you'll be good to go.
So this isn't gonna take you 5 minutes. You know, it did take me and Davey about an hour to do. And he did everything. I just did this little section right here. But if I can do it, you guys can do it. I've never done this before. So yeah, this is under 20 bucks. I seen this assembly, like a really dope looking smoked, you know, assembly like this go for like 500 bucks, 600 bucks, something like that. So if you guys wanna avoid that and just do it this, I think this is it's a no-brainer if you ask me. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you, Davey, for helping me out. And subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I'll see you guys next time.